Welcome to the Juice Bottling Factory Tour by V-Pack Machine, Private Limited. This is our Juice RFC machine. In this machine, bottles are automatically washed, filled, and capped in one continuous process. For maximum hygiene and safety, the bottles are washed using RO purified water before filling. This fully automatic system ensures clean and efficient juice production with minimum human contact. At the time of filling, the juice temperature is extremely hot. So, immediately after filling and capping, the bottles are transferred through conveyors into the cooling tunnel. Inside the cooling tunnel, the bottles are gradually cooled down to maintain product quality and increase shelf life. This process is very important for preserving the taste and freshness of the juice. After cooling, the bottles move towards the labeling section using conveyors. This machine is called an automatic sleeve applicator. It automatically applies sleeve labels on every bottle with high accuracy and speed. Next, the bottles are marked with manufacturing date, batch number, and MRP using a continuous inkjet printer, also known as a CIJ printer. The printer prints directly on the neck of every bottle at high production speed without stopping the conveyor line. After labeling, the bottles pass through a shrink tunnel where heat tightly fits the sleeve labels perfectly around the bottles. Finally, the bottles are transferred to the packing section through conveyors. Here, the bottles are shrink packed and made completely ready for market supply and dispatch. The final packed products are now ready to be delivered to shops and distributors.